Today I am reviewing KitchenAid Artisan 5-Quart Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic and best-selling stand mixers on the market, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer with pouring shield in the beautiful blue velvet color. If you've ever spent time in the kitchen baking cookies, kneading bread, or whipping cream, chances are you've either used a KitchenAid mixer or wished you had one. This model, the KSM150PS, has built quite a reputation, and after going through all of its features, it's easy to see why it's often considered the gold standard for home cooks and bakers. First, let's talk about build quality. This mixer is made with a durable, all-metal construction, and it's designed to last for years, if not decades. At just under 23 pounds, it has a nice sturdy weight, which keeps it stable on your countertop even when mixing heavy doughs. Unlike cheaper mixers that might bounce around, this one stays put. It also has 59 touch points around the bowl, which means the beater really scrapes and mixes the ingredients thoroughly for consistent results every time. Now, the capacity is one of the big selling points. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl, complete with a comfortable handle, is large enough to handle both small and big batches. To give you a real-world example, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. That's huge. The bowl is also dishwasher safe, which is always a big plus when it comes to cleanup. One of the best things about the Artisan series is the tilt head design. This makes it super easy to add ingredients as you go, or to swap out attachments without any hassle. Just tilt the head back, lock it in place, and you have full access to the bowl. If you've ever struggled with adding flour or chocolate chips into a mixer while it's running, you'll appreciate this design. It also comes with a pouring shield, which helps reduce mess when adding ingredients like flour or sugar. When it comes to power and performance, the KitchenAid Artisan doesn't disappoint. It features a 325-watt motor with 10 different speed settings, controlled by a simple knob on the side. Whether you need to gently stir together ingredients on a low speed, knead bread dough, or whip cream at a higher speed, this mixer has you covered. Speed 8, for example, is perfect for whipping cream or egg whites into stiff peaks. And no matter what speed you're using, the mixer maintains consistent power and control. Another highlight is the included accessories. In the box, you'll get a coated flat beater, a coated dough hook, a 6-wire whip, and, of course, the 5-quart stainless steel bowl with handle and the pouring shield. These are the basics that cover almost all of your mixing needs right out of the box. But what really makes KitchenAid stand out is the power hub for attachments. There are over 10 optional attachments you can buy separately, everything from pasta makers to food grinders, spiralizers for veggie noodles, and even an ice cream maker. This means your stand mixer isn't just for baking. It can become a full kitchen powerhouse. Let's also talk about style, because this is another area where KitchenAid really shines. The Artisan series comes in over 20 different colors, and the blue velvet option is absolutely stunning. It has a rich, elegant look that adds personality and charm to any kitchen. If blue velvet isn't your style, there's truly a color for everyone, from bright reds to matte blacks, and everything in between. In terms of cleaning and maintenance, the bowl and most attachments are dishwasher safe, which saves you time. The mixer itself just needs a simple wipe down after use to keep it looking new. And with KitchenAid's reputation for durability, you can count on this mixer lasting for many years. Now, what do customers think? This model has an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, based on over 20,000 reviews. That's an incredibly high score, and it shows that the vast majority of people who buy this mixer absolutely love it. Many mention how versatile it is, how much time it saves, and how it's become their go-to kitchen companion. To sum it up, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is more than just an appliance. It's an investment in your cooking and baking. With its sturdy construction, powerful performance, large capacity, and wide range of attachments, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned cooks. If you're someone who loves baking bread, making cookies, whipping up desserts, or even experimenting with fresh pasta or homemade ice cream, this mixer will quickly become one of your most used tools in the kitchen. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and incredibly versatile stand mixer, the KitchenAid Artisan Series should absolutely be at the top of your list. It's not just a mixer, it's a true kitchen essential that makes cooking more enjoyable and much easier.